Alright, so we're on to the next video, and it would be the to-do app. So as you can see, I've done everything here 100% complete. Kind of just trying to finalize everything, as I said in the previous videos, and get everything kind of done, but also retrack my steps to what I did in the previous ones and kind of went over these lectures and kind of get my brain working. This one is a shorter one, so it'll be quicker than the other videos. I hope that's okay. There's just less concepts, but I will go over them. So this is actually a implementation of the application. This is a to-do app. So you obviously have the widget with the sort of ascend, descending. You have the button. It's just a lot of custom widgets. It just shows the UI efficiently, gives element trees that basically reuse many of the elements as needed, and then renders a tree into updated partially. Differences between the old and new element tree are detected, and then we learn basically new keys, the stateful widgets, which basically might be lose their state if used without keys, basically. So you want the keys right there, and then you want these kind of widgets. Basically make sure that another look at bar, final, and constant, and the differences, and assigning a value and editing a value in memory. So basically those are like the kind of key synapses concepts of it. We basically learned just the three trees: the widget tree, the element tree, and then the render tree, and how to use all three of them as seen here. Make sure UI is updated, necessary builds, a setup, and then understanding the key keys and making sense of bar, final, and constant. Those are basically the key concepts here. Super small. As you can see, we just had a couple of key implementations. This would be the biggest basically file of the code, which is basically showing you the stateful widget, and then you got the keys, you got the to-do items, you got the buttons, you got the main function, obviously just calls upon it, the app bar, and the UI updates. So basically that's a demo build, and it shows the center, the column, the text, and kind of where it's kind of built and how to solve the basic problem in this one. Yeah, just super easy one, which I needed after the other ones. It kind of gave me a break from kind of it all, but it still took me a while. This one still, I'd say, took me a couple hours, just because I wanted to really learn the state of this widget, kind of all the kind of core concepts, and overall kind of how to draw this all up from scratch. So it wasn't as difficult, but it was definitely challenging. So thank you, Dr. Grisham, and appreciate you. There's the application.